In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a Wise Mastercard in Ethiopia using the verified method. The first and most important thing to understand is that Wise card availability depends on your country of residence. So before creating expectations, start by visiting Wise's official card availability page and search for Ethiopia. At the moment, Ethiopia is not listed as an eligible country for ordering a Wise card. This is a very important step because it helps you avoid misinformation and saves you time. If the card is not officially available, there is no legitimate shortcut to order one directly from Ethiopia. If you still want to use Wise for any services that are available in your region, you can create a Wise account. When signing up, make sure you use your real and accurate personal information. If Wise asks you to verify your identity, complete that process honestly and carefully. Keep in mind that the features you can access inside Wise will depend on your actual country of residence. So what is available to users in one country may not be available in another. Next, check whether Wise offers a waitlist option for Ethiopia. If that option appears, you can enter your email address to join the waitlist. Wise says it will notify users when the card becomes available in their country. This is a simple step, but it is the proper way to stay informed rather than relying on unofficial workarounds. Now, if you legally move to a country where the Wise card is supported, then you can update your actual country of residence in your Wise account. At that point, you may be asked to provide proof of address or identification documents. It is very important to use only genuine information here. Do not use someone else's address and do not claim a residence that is not really yours. Wise checks names and addresses when issuing cards, so accuracy matters. Once your account becomes genuinely eligible, open the Wise app and go to the card section. If card ordering is available for your verified location, you should see the option to order a card there. From that point, simply follow the on-screen instructions, enter your real delivery address, and pay any card order fee if one applies. Wise will review your details before issuing the card, so make sure everything is correct before submitting. Finally, after the card is delivered, follow Wise's activation instructions to start using it. The exact activation process can vary depending on the country where the card was issued, so just complete the steps shown in your app or account. The key takeaway